is the $300 Pokemon Celebrations Ultra Premium Collection box. And honestly, it looks super cool. It's huge. Train on. I think this shows you what this looks like when it's open. This says what it comes with. Focus. Maybe not. But let's get to it. Alright, so maybe. Alright. Oh yeah, there's a camper Lego van I'm working on. Super cool. I should have brought a knife. Shiny. Alright. How do you open this? Oh. It's a magnet. I can move this on. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's huge. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. It comes with a little pull out drawer slides. No, but alright, so all the booster packs, or all the extra booster packs, celebrations packs, the promo cards. You got, if it will, this doesn't want to focus on oh, you got your Charizard and Pikachu pin. And then look at these, oh my goodness, they're so cool. Oh, these are metal. And they're like metal versions of the base set Pikachu and Charizard. Oh, it's so cool. That's so cool, my goodness. Right. After that is a metal coin. Whoops. Honestly, the fact that this is a storage, box, that makes it cool. It's so cool. Here's all your celebration packs. So many. And your gold Pokeball card. And gold Pikachu V. Alright, so hopefully we get good cards out of this, but honestly, even if we don't, I'd be okay with it, kinda. Alright, let's put these on the top for a little bit. There's something underneath here. Oh, anything else? That's neat. It was just like a little pocket thing. Oh, this is just that thing. Cool. I'm just gonna put those back up here. Oh, so cool for storage. And this is so, oh my goodness, I love this box. Now, if I remember right, I might need to count how many of these there are. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put these back in here for now. It's hard to do this with one hand. We're gonna close that up. Set the camera. Alright, take a sip of my drink. Alright, so we have 3 Chilling Rain, 3 Vivid Voltage, and 3 Darkness Ablaze. And then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I fucked up my counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 celebration packs. Such an odd number, but whatever. I guess we'll start with the Darkness Ablaze. Give it both a second, and then Chilling Rain last. Goodness, I'm so excited to open it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Circuit Energy, Vibrava, Dedenne, Steenie, Hippopotas, Larvesta, Spinnerack, Squovet, Rowlet, Excelgor, and Rhyperior V. I actually have my card sleeves with me. If I can just grab one. Ah, we're already starting out super strong. I wonder if they purposely made it like this, where they all have good cards in every pack. I'll take it. Alright, next pack. One, two, three, 4. Energy, Rose, yep, you already saw that. Corpse Squire, Vibrava, Larvesta, Spinnerack, Squovet, Rowlet, Sentret, Reverse Hollow Tauros. Ooh, I love Darkrai. And then a Centiskorch VMAX. Neat, neat, neat. I like the Darkrai one. I'm gonna sleeve this one too. Best legendary. That goes there. Then we sleeve this one. I'll do like a little showcase of all the ones I pulled. the very end. Put the torso away. Next one. One, two, three, quattro. Energy, Alistair. Oh, no. Why does it keep on focusing over there? Grammarat, Nessa, Electric, Execute, Eevee, Woobat, Aracuda, Woobat again, Beedrill. I legit thought every pack was gonna have like something amazing in it. They played me. Next one. One, two, three, four. Energy. NASA. Nuzleaf. Wash Energy. Picky Peck. Choodle. Real. Chimecho. Inkata. Dusclops. And Dreadnought. Okay. Next pack. Honestly, it's just the celebrations I'm looking forward to. I think the most valuable one is the Charizard, but I still want it. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Duat, Aromatic Energy, Hero's Metal, Yanma, Glare and Meowth, Duskull, Voltorb, Weedle, Delmise, Colossal VMAX. Dope. And sleeved. Next pack, 3 more of these, and then on to the celebrations packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Fire Resistant Gloves, Welcoming Lantern, Reboot, Lapras, Blitzel, Aeron, Deerling, Delibird, Crabrawler, and Sawsbuck. Never heard of that one before. Two more. One, two, three, four. Energy, Crushing Gloves, Curlia, Justified Gloves, Shuppet, Cubfu, Blitzel, Quillfish, Glaring Slowpoke, Diglett, Gallade. Last normal pack, or last booster pack. One, two, three, four. Energy, Spiritual Energy, Peony, Lairon, Hatena, Aeron, Ralts, Venipede, whoops, Bounsweet, Venipede again, and Dugtrio. Okay, so that was all the booster packs. I think I got like 3 VMAXs plus that cool Darkrai card. Put those off to the side. Now we're on to these. There's only 4 cards in each pack, but they're all pretty cool. All the classic collection stuff. It's very neat. Alright, so you got Ho-Oh, Lugia, Garchomp, what? Garchomp C level X? Gosh, when was the last time I saw a level on it? And then Solgaleo. They also haven't put the trainer on them for a while. I used to love it that they did that. I like it. I'll probably separate all the 25th celebration stuff. Because I actually have so many of them. I might put them in their own binder. Maybe. Alright. Cosmoem, I think. Palkia. Ooh, Imposter Professor Oak trainer card. And then Chunky Pikachu. I think this is like my third one, but I love them. So cute. Sleeve. And sleeve. Cool. Next pack. If I can open it. There it is. Alright, Dialga. Whoops. Lugia. Xerneas. And Solgaleo. Nothing from the classic collection on that. That's okay. Next up. Alright, I really messed up opening that. Reshiram. Cosmog. Dialga. Flying Pikachu V. Okay, next pack. Kyogre. Cosmog. I have so many of those. Rocket Zapdos? Neat. And Professor's Research. I have the full art one that they had in the same pack, and I think it's so cool. Oh, actually, that's really cool. Oh my god, he's breaking the fourth wall. I used to have a card like this. It looked exactly like this, except, you know, it was just Zapdos, and it was just him by himself, and what did I do with my old cards? I feel like, I swear I just either put them away in storage, or I legit threw them away, and whatever I did, I was an idiot for doing it. Next pack. I'm so slick with opening these. Cosmo, Xerneas, Donphan. It's not even Donphan X or V or GX or EX, but it still has that border around it, so it looks cool. Sleeved. Next pack. Let me put these over to the side. Next pack. Cosmo, Groudon, Kyogre, and another Flying Pikachu. I think this is my third one of this one too. Sleeve. Wait a this, I can just put all these inside this box. Or all the celebration ones. Not the ones I sleep. They're going in a binder. Once I, you know, stop becoming lazy and buy another binder. Alright, Palkia, Dialga, Venusaur, ooh, and another Professor's Research. Gosh. So cool. Sleep. No Charizard or Blastoise, but still one of the OGs. Next pack. Cosmo, Lugia, Claydol, level 45. Next pack. That's the only we have actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Already more than halfway done. I wish I knew about this box when it first came out. I would have tried getting it for the retail price, but it's whatever. At least I still got to open one. Yveltal, Zekrom, Dialga, and Mew. So the thing about this one is I don't think it's part of the classic collection or anything. It looks cool, but not the one I want. Oh, I took out a sleeve by accident. Xerneas, Yveltal, Zekrom, Surfing Pikachu. Yay. Next pack. Groudon, Yveltal, Kyogre, Pikachu. I'm up to 4 of these now. And I will collect them all. Family heirloom. Next pack. Boom. Dialga, Cosmo, Palkia, Professor Research. Yeah, this is the one I got. So this is my second one of these. I think I got 2 sleeves by accident. No? Did I not? Okay. Zekrom, Cosmo, Cleffa. Okay. I'm still holding out for that Charizard and Blastoise. I want all of them. Not all 3. I will settle for Blastoise since I got that Metal Charizard card, but still want it. I just like this because the way the frame is done, or the art is done on it. Like, he's writing his own abilities. Xerneas, Groudon, Cosmoem, Zacian V. Click. Oh my goodness, 2 packs. That means I have to get Blastoise in one and Charizard in the other. Let's move. Kyogre, Xerneas, Ho-Oh, and Flying Pikachu. Okay, that means I cannot get the set. Probably would have just been cheaper to buy them, but I don't want to do that. I like opening the packs. It's very cathartic. After a long day of doing nothing except eating hibachi and napping, it's nice to be able to open up cards. Cosmoem, Palkia, Luxray. I don't know what that says. CL? L? Level X. And then Mew. Cool. Alright, so that was all of the cards. Now, the next step is... Alright, so these are all the ones that I sleeved. Pretty cool, right? It's a lot. Wait, there was something wrong with them. Never mind. I thought I felt something weird in the cards. So I don't know if I wanna look up all these prices. But these, you know what, I'm gonna alright, so Yuki's, Zacian V, Professor's Research, Cleffa, I'm gonna put Professor's Research there, Pikachu, Surfing Pikachu, Claydol, Professor's Research, Venusaur, Flying Pikachu, Donphan, Professor's Research, Rocket Zapdos, Flying Pikachu, Imposter Trainer Oak. I need to put that like right over here. Pikachu, Garchomp. I'll just put these down here. Alright, so these were the cards I got. Or these are the ones that I sleeved that I got. I got a lot of duplicates, but I'm honestly okay with that. They look cool, and I'm happy. These look super cool. I love the VMAX cards. But I also like... I don't know what my favorite out of these would be. I think it might be the Zapdos one. Zapdos or Garchomp? I swear I had the original one of this, or maybe something similar. But so my camera stopped recording during that last thing, but honestly I don't even remember what I was talking about. I think I had the Garchomp in my hand and I was thinking something, whatever, can't remember. But that was the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and seeing me open up all these packs of cards. But honestly, you guys could always just go out there and buy some yourself, and then you could, open up your own cards, and then they're yours. And that's always fun, seeing your collection grow. I'm regrowing my collection from what it once was. But okay, that was the video. God, can't get over that box. So nice. That was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.